So hey guys, in this video we will fix how you can use 100% disk usage on your Windows. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here in your task manager, if you're facing an issue of 100% disk usage, then all you need to do, first of all, press Windows plus R, and over here you have to type services.msc. Once this dialog box will be open, now you're gonna find sysmain. You're gonna double click on that, and the startup type, you're gonna change it from automatic to disable. Hit OK. Now our second step is going to be, you're gonna again press Windows plus R. Over here you're gonna type person, temp, and person. Now these all are the unnecessary files which are taking the extra storage. These files are the corrupted cache memory of your computer. So you're gonna select all of these and press delete. Alright, so on third, we need to optimize our C drive. So for that, you're gonna right click on your C drive, go to properties, then tools. Under tools, click on optimize, and it will be optimized. Now, from here you can also clean up your disk by just pressing on disk cleanup and just delete all the unnecessary files that you don't want. Click on clean up system files, and you have done. Now go ahead and check from your task manager, and this time you will not get any kind of problem. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.